Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about CloudWatch Agent installation in Amazon EC2 machine. How to configure manual config CloudWatch Agent config files. How to push log, let's suppose Apache Web Server logs to the CloudWatch console dashboard, right? We have discussed production scenarios. Let's suppose I'll give you have installed properly CloudWatch agent, but matrices is not getting pushed over the CloudWatch console. Okay. I will discuss IAM rule permission, what role permission need to be attached with EC2 instance, memory matrix, web server, log pushing, and troubleshooting skills. I will show you as per my best experience. Okay, so let's start. I have launched a one CloudWatch machine, right? CloudWatch EC2 server, right? One EC2 server, which is Amazon EC2. Okay. So what we need to do, like, let me show you cat etc slash os asterisk release. So that is a Amazon Linux too. Okay. And I'm going to install over this, right? I will show you before the installation CloudWatch console, right? So just need to search CW here and click on this, right? Let's suppose how will you identify these matrices being pushed by the CloudWatch agent? Okay, how we can identify? Okay, that is all matrices. Here CW agent is a custom namespace. If it, if some matrix is coming this CW agent, that is being pushed by your agent itself. Okay, rest is AWS namespace that is called AWS itself. Here is EC2 itself, but these are not giving like memory matrices. They are giving some matrices, but not all. If you want, as per your needs, so we have to install CloudWatch agent in our servers. Okay, so we are going. And apart from that, we do have a log group here. So if you want to push some logs here, so it will come consider here, right? Just like 7 here, but we will create our custom configuration file. So we will show you, okay, going forward. It could be a little lengthy video, but be patient because I will give you end to end. So now this is ls. Okay. So what we need to, first of all, we can install using this, but I would recommend as per the production scenario, we have to download RPM. Okay. And here wget and download this RPM. And as per the normal Linux practices, RPM is a command to install IVH. Okay. Once it is installed into the server, right? So now we need to generate our own config. So what is the command to generate? This is the command. Once this package is installed, these are the command. Okay, these are the command. So we just need to copy and just enter. So it is asking Linux base. Yeah, this is Linux. So inside this is one. So we need to press 1. EC2, that is the EC2. Yes, press 1. CW agent, which user do you want to run? Press 1. No, no. Do you want to monitor these? Yes, because we want memory. Press 1. Do you want to monitor CPU per core? Because I do not want. I don't want these. None these. 4. I want standard level, right? Yes, no, we do not have any other. That is the question where you want to push log file. So this is the one, right? Okay, so I want yes. Log file path. We have to give log file. Apache log file path, default log file where log httpd ACCESS underscore log. That is the path, okay? And this is asking retention in days. So I would say 36. So I need to enter this 13. 1 3. I would say no. Do you want to push other logs? I would say no, no, and no. So that is created. And this is the path. Okay, this file created in this path. Okay, CL clear. Basically, I have already noted down this part. Okay, so I will show you. So that is the agent section. We will change here itself some. This is our log path. Basically, this agent configuration has a three option: agent configuration, log section, and matrices. Okay, that's it. Log and that is matrices. You can remove as per your need. If you do not want this, so you can remove here from this, right, and save it. Okay, guys. Now next point is how to start this service. So I have already these command, right? So we just need to copy this command. Control C and file colon and our path. This is our path, right? And enter. So now, if you have checked the CloudWatch console matrices, did you notice this is 34 only? I have started this service in my local, in my server, so it will be increased soon. Okay. So let's suppose how to see the status of this, right? We can have a one more command. This is running right now. That is running. Now, let's suppose you have post these matrices and all these things you have configured properly, IAM role and all, right? Let's suppose I will discuss about the IAM role. I remember this is the IAM. You can go for IAM and inside the roles, just search CW role. So what is the permission we would need? This is the permission we would need only. That is the AWS policy. Okay, that is attached with EC2 server. CW role is attached with EC2 server. Let me show you. That is the CWD role. Okay, guys. Now we have pushed how we can check tail -f logs. Okay, so we have already logs copy here. Logs file already we have copied. This is the log file. That is published with force. That is jitter, right? This is being pushed over the AWS console. Okay, let me show you one duplicate session of this server. Okay, that is being pushed. So let's see the clear. Now we can check over the AWS CloudWatch console. Okay, that is matrices being posted on. This is 34. Okay, this is 34, right? And just need to refresh. This is 52. Go and host 6, right? This is mem used and all right. This is 107 and other instances earlier, right? 107 is our one. So that is coming, right? Main thing is that there is no log group which we have configured through, but no log group. Basically, why it is not coming? We haven't installed Apache Web Server. So yum install httpd -y. Clear. We have start service status that is running. ls where log httpd, that is the access log is coming here. Okay, so we will create some logs. Control C. Okay, that is coming. So I have generated enough roles, right? Enough logs. But here is nothing is coming, right? I have tail-f. So I will check the log path cd where log httpd get access log, that is coming, right? Clear. Okay, but here is not coming. Basically, our CloudWatch console is not configured as debug log true. by default it will come as debug log false. So that's why we are not able to see here lot of logs. So we will configure as per the production. Okay, and I will show how we will configure, right? I have already copied. Let's suppose this is the module we need to copy. Control C, and you can see the tail dot f logs, right? This is the Vim. So where we need to configure? We need to configure here. Okay, and just need to save. We have saved. Now we need to start once more this configured file with the same using this same command. Now we can go for here. Now this is looks like caller and all these things. State file that is coming like permission denied. Okay. Now it is giving your wide errors. Okay, what is the happening? So let's suppose we will go to permission error. So what is coming this permission error? CD hyphen LD HTT. So this is having root and root, right? So we can make it CHOWN ownership root colon CW agent HTTPD. And then why we have done? Because agent is coming running is CW agent. That's why. Chmod. Okay, now we can check again this permission. See, this is pushed. Okay, that is being pushed and it went. Let me permission denied. It went. Okay, so this is troubleshooting. Let's go for the console, guys. Or if you like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. Okay, your like and subscribe is a great help for me, right, guys? Because I'm just giving it for the production scenarios and all, right. I'm expecting something. If you can like and subscribe, that would be great. Now it's 7. This is 8. And access log is coming here, right? That is coming. Log stream. Complete Apache log will come. Okay, guys. And last thing, if your matrices like that is not being pushed here. Okay, this is not coming. Okay, matrices is not coming. So how we you will troubleshoot? Okay, So let's go for there. Okay. We should have some points like monitoring endpoint because logs, uh, if your agent matrix is not pushing, so that is the monitoring endpoint. You can check your region accordingly. Which region? Because I am going to push this. Okay, so we will do telnet and this and 443. If this is coming this right, so we are able to connect endpoints from our servers. Sometimes what happen in the organizations, they have a firewalls or they will not allow to connect any other endpoints. Okay, so we will check with network team accordingly. Okay, we have to push the matrices over this right and over the internet, so we need to allow. Either we can use VPC endpoint to push the matrices. Okay, this is the second question. First is a log. If log is not coming appropriate, so we can make it in the configuration file debug is equal to true. Okay, and second is monitoring endpoint, this is, and if log is not pushing, this is, and if any error, permission error is coming, I have already told you these are the key interview questions. Okay, if permission not coming, how to fix. If role doesn't have sufficient permissions, how we can do that. If our monitoring endpoint is not reachable from our server, if some scenarios comes कि we do not want to allow our logs over the public internet, so what would be, so we can create a VPC endpoint, monitoring endpoint, and then configure route level, so it will automatically done. But this is a different type of the video. But my main agenda is like how to configure CloudWatch agent, that is done. Okay, how to, I would say agent configuration, web level provision, memory matrices, production scenarios, troubleshooting, all everything is done. If you like this video, kindly do share and subscribe. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching.